Hi, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be working on this letter sound. Do you know the short sound for this letter? That's right, it's ah. Let's do that together 3 times. Ah, ah, ah. Now, let's look at 3 words that start with the ah sound. Apple, ant, alligator. Do you hear the ah at the beginning of the words? Apple, ant, alligator. Good. Now, let's make an ah sound as we make alligator mouth chomps. Ready? Like this. Ah. We're going to do this a lot, so get ready. Get your alligator arms out and ready? Go. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. Great job listening. Now it's time for our sound game. Which of these 3 words begin with the ah sounds? Sun, dog, apple. Let me say this again. Sun, dog, apple. That's right, it's apple. You did an amazing job with the ah sounds. I'll see you next time for the next letter.